It's been a while since I give you an update on the Tommy Kaira. So today you're getting a bit of an update. Not quite finished, but it's close. The last time you saw this engine, it was on the stand. Now it is in the hole. As you can see, there's a proper RA engine with a 5th injector there. Original turbo, everything restored and working. Tommy Kaira front bumper. Proper Tommy Kaira wheels on there. Graphics. All in place. The super special rear wing, which I think is absolutely incredible. Right the way down to the Tommy Kaira exhaust. Interior wise, almost finished. We've got a special Tommy Kaira centre console with the gauges. Tommy Kaira steering wheel and the red dials. Just a driver's seat to put in there. And the mats. Got a few bits to finish off on there. Badges, those sort of things that are coming back to us this week. So next weekend should be finished. I think this car's beautiful. John's done an amazing job restoring it. I've helped along the way with the engine build and putting some trim bits in there and fault finding some other bits, but it's beautiful.